LG G7 is all set to get released on 2nd of May, but rumors are still making their way on the internet regarding LG's next flagship G7 thinq. So let's reveal them one by one. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So LG G7 is rumored to be coming out with a new 13 megapixel dual camera setup, which is far way better than its predecessor because it is using that super pixel technology. So accordingly, it's going to be a beast in low light conditions. LG G7 thinq is also coming out with that dedicated AI assistant button, like the Bixby button on Samsung flagships, which was confirmed by the image leaked by a trusted leakster Evan Blass on Twitter. It is also coming with that 3D camera stickers similar to AI emojis on Samsung Galaxy S9, which was released in February and which is now going like and standard feature in every flagship phone after iPhone X's Animoji feature, which was debuted last year. And how can we forget to talk about the mighty top notch, which is becoming a trend and a flagship status for every Chinese mobile brand, but it's also making its way on the LG's next flagship device, which is the LG G7. It is sure that the notch is coming with that softer feature which can hide the notch and make it look like a normal top bezel. Anyways, it does not look that stupid, so you can see in the image. And that's all about the LG G7 thinq for today, and let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Stay connected to our channel by hitting that subscribe button for more upcoming leaks, rumors and news about the upcoming mobile devices. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for more updates. So that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.